Take a look at this beautiful waterfront 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom condominium unit on the 11th floor. You can enjoy stunning sunrises from your balcony. The condominium has one assigned parking space. The condominium fees cover gas, electric, HVAC, water, sewer, trash removal, ground maintenance, 7-day reception desk coverage, elevator usage, Cox Ultimate Cable package, 250+ channels, access to the saltwater pool, library, expansive community/meeting room with water views, and a full kitchen. Residents also have access to a boat dock, with boat slips available for yearly resident rental, an outdoor grilling area, assigned storage. Lastly, a full-time maintenance supervisor and condo manager are on site. September 19, 2024.